Hi guys, it's Dr. Mohammad Usman and I am back with another video. If you haven't liked my YouTube channel, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. You can also visit my Facebook page for updates. So let's talk about today's topic. So today we will be talking about operations management, which is basically an area outside the scope of formal project management. It is basically concerned with the ongoing production of goods and services, and it also ensures that an organization delivers products related to the customers and products related to meet the customer demands using the optimal resources. It is also concerned with managing the processes to transform different inputs like material, components, labor, energy into outputs like into goods and services. So, the basic aim of operations management and its discussion is to understand that operations and project management are interrelated with each other, and they are basically intersecting each other at various points. Such as when we are talking about changes in business organization operations, it may be focused on the project, especially when there are many major changes in the business operations as a result of new product or service. So these ongoing operations are outside the scope of the project. However, they will be intersecting using the development of a new product, upgrading a product, expanding the outputs, while moving the operations or the product development process at the end of product life cycle at each closeout phase. So at each point, deliverables and knowledge are transferred between the project and operations for the implementation of the delivered work. This implementation occurs through a transfer of project resources or knowledge to the operations, or through the transfer of operational resources to the project. So basically, when we are talking about operations and project management, we need to understand that these are related further with the portfolios, programs, and projects, as they are aligned with each other. So when portfolios and programs and projects are interrelated with each other, they are giving different inputs to the operations, which is generating the business value, and it is realizing that the operations are again going to the strategy, and the strategy is again managing the portfolios, programs, and projects. So basically, an organization development works on operations plus the project management, program management, and portfolio management activities. So the major key differences, as we already have known, that project requires project management while operation requires business processes. Similarly, like project and operation will interact with each other at key points like we have discussed before. So operations, the major key thing over here is that operations are ongoing but projects are temporary, as we know that. So both are carried out by the people, both require planning, both require management, both require fixed amount of budget, resources, and timelines. So without operations we cannot move into the projects, and every project will have some kind of operations or ongoing processes which are related to the operation. So we cannot just go without the operation management into the project management. So I have an example over here, like it is a very simple example. There is a bathroom project, like a plumber is called to fix a bathroom pipe which is leaky at different points, like about 20 to 30 points. One way is that the plumber repairs that leaky pipe at different points by putting the different material to solidify that material or weld that material. But during the process, the plumber finds out that the bathroom is more leaky because the pipe is too old. So he talks with the owner of the house, like if you want me to change the project or work on the project of bathroom renovation, so you can work on this item, or these material are the required. So basically he will be giving scope a new project that will be a renovation of the bathroom project. The scope will be changing the pipe of the project. The budget will be of some amount like $100 or $200. The time will be about 1 day. The quality will be like he will be ensuring that it will be of a good quality pipe that will work for some years. So basically it will be giving a new project details to the owner in a simple manner. If the owner accepts the budget according to scope, time, and cost, he will approve the project and a new project will start, and it will start from the initiation. But if the owner doesn't approve the project, then there will be a sign off and there will be a payment for repairing the bathroom. So similarly, like these operations and projects work, and when we are working on the operation management, new projects can occur at any time during the different project or during management of different operations. So this video was up to here. If you like my video, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. You can also earn training certificate from our video channel. The process is as follows, and it is easy for you. We have issued many certificates for many participants, and you can also get special certificates. So what you are waiting for? Go today to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. Thank you.